Hello option traders, welcome to another video. I'm your host Scalper779, and even if you're not an option trader, it's always good to expand your knowledge. So in this video we're going to start off by looking at the 484 spider put. This is the action on the ETF, the spiders ETF, okay? And we're going to be looking at this section right here that went short from around 486 all the way down to just below 484. So this is the 484 put. Now at what time we're looking at? So 10:30. This red candle's at 10:30, 10:45 to 11 o'clock. So here we go. The corresponding times, it just flipped. 10:30, what's the low here? It is 48. Now is it 48 cents? No, that's wrong. It is 48 cents times 100. It's $48. They just write it in that way because I guess it's easier to read. Anyway, I don't know why they write it in cents value, but that's the way they do it. So a low of $48, and in about half an hour or so we got $129, the high $143. Okay, that's a great move, and just in 45 minutes. And then it came back down in price because the spiders kept going up. But I want to take a look at the 485 put. Let's take a look at that. It's going to be a little bit more expensive. Let's zoom in on here, and right there, what do we got? Low $74, and a high of the next candle 181. Wow, make $100 in about, two 15-minute candles. Like, you don't know exactly when that happens within that 30-minute period, right? But anyway, let's call it half an hour, and then here 190, almost $200. That's a pretty good move there too. So now let's look at the calls. Those first two were puts, making money when the spiders go down. Now we want to look to see how we make money when the spiders go up. And again, you can buy these, it's called naked puts and naked call options, which just basically means you don't own the stock, you don't own the ETF, you don't own anything. You just have, let's say, cash in your trading account, and you want to buy and sell calls and puts, just like you go long and you go short with shares. It's the same thing. All right. And so what we're going to look at first, the 486 call. Where are you? There we go. 486. Let's take a look. Oh man, that's a good price here. Look at the low. $49. So around $50, and it just keeps going up and up. What's this high of this candle? $192. $265. $302, and it ends off at $322. Wow. So around low $49 to $322. That's a good run, folks. All right, and if you got some of that, man, you got money in the bank now. So let's look at the 487. Let's keep moving here. 487. What do we got here? The low is $27, right? 11 o'clock. That's when the market pivoted, I guess the word is, or the market made its pivot. $27. And what do we got here in just I don't know what, an hour, 12 o'clock? $129. And then we got a high of $188. And then we got a high of $212, and we ended off with $231 from $27. Wow. You bought one for $27, and you could have made $200 if you knew what you were doing. Okay, let's take a look at the 488. Zoom in again. What do we got here? 11 o'clock, the low was 14 and 15. Low of 14 and 15. And then at a 12, we got a high of $81. And then at 12:45 or so, we got a high of 125. And then it goes to 137. And we end off with a high of $144. Wow. So from $14 to $144. Again, you put in 14 bucks, you could have made 100 bucks if you knew what you're doing. 488, and that's why we're going over this. Like, who knew that the market was going to keep going up and up and up? If you watch my other videos, the ES did close the gap up here. Do you see this gap? I don't know if the spiders did that after hours or not. I got to double check. But anyway, let's continue on looking at the last number put option or call option is 489. 489 is right here. And are we going to get some really good numbers? What's the low here? $7. Yeah, $7 is the low. Wow, for 45 minutes the low was $7. And then it made a move at 12, $48, and then $78. And I guess that was the high, eh? Yeah. 77 there. Now that's 79 right there. All right, not bad. $7 to $78. It's a pretty good move, and that's about it. If we went higher to check out, let's say the 490, it'd be a lot smaller. Anyway, that's all we got here. Guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Hopefully you got something out of it. It's always interesting to see how these options move according to the security that it's tracking. In this case, it's spiders. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.